Custom software development. These three words conjure up fear, doubt, and uncertainty for most people. Fortunately, it doesn't have to be that way. As one wise Minnesotan once said, the times they are a changin'. As part of this brave new world, we're here to introduce ourselves. We're Fjorge, a full-service, custom, software development agency, providing technological expertise for your digital needs and dreams. Whether you need an e-commerce store, multi-platform integration, custom website, or ongoing managed services, we offer end-to-end solutions for any digital need. Since 2005, we've been improving our process and services to make your custom software development as simple and confident as possible. The next time you're looking for a digital partner, we should talk. We're Fjorge. Let's build something great together.